Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox on Linux and how to set it up and get it working correctly. So the first thing we need to do is load Synaptic. Start Synaptic up. Put in your root password. And then when Synaptic is ready, type in VirtualBox. Make this a little bit bigger, I think. As we can see, we've got VirtualBox there, but what I'm looking for is VirtualBox non-free. Click on that and then right click. Mark for installation. Okay, mark, and then we need to click apply. Apply again, and VirtualBox downloads and installs to our system. Takes a little bit of time. Yours will be longer than this. Okay, and then we can see that VirtualBox non-free has been installed, as you can see by the green box. X that off. Then we need to start a web browser, and we need to go to virtualbox.org, or just type in VirtualBox and then look for downloads. We can see that's already there for us. Click on downloads, and then we need to look for this product here, this file here, VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, so click on the link that's next to it, and that'll download it. Okay, so you can either open it with VirtualBox or you can save the file. I generally save the file. Okay, so nice quick download, as you can see. So let's X that off, and we go to our download folder. And then we can find this file, double click on it. VirtualBox brings up this, and it asks us to install. Click OK. Bring that down, and then click I agree, and then your root password again. Click OK, and then it'll install for us. Okay, once it's installed, the next thing we need to do is open a terminal, and we need to add this command. So I'm just going to paste this a second. It's sudo usermod, so that's USERMOD space dash little a space dash uppercase G VBox users, and then your name. Click enter. It asks you for your password. Put your password in, and then you're ready to go. Putting this command in allows you to use USBs in your VirtualBoxes. Okay, so I've got a VirtualBox set up, and I've got some files, some programs, some distros set up. So this is the general setup that I use. Okay, so system, give it enough memory as you need. So between 1 and 2 gig. Your processors, so if you're using a 32-bit you'd have one processor, if you're using 64-bit you'd have more. Display, make sure it's got enough display, and make sure you've got enable 3D acceleration. Storage, well, storage is using a live CD to start it off. Okay, so click on this button, choose disk. That brings up a menu, and you can choose which ISO that you want to use. Click on one, click open, click on it again, and then you can see that you need to click live CD. Okay, Nothing really in audio need to change, but in network, make sure that it's a bridged adapter and it has its own network address then. The rest is fine. Okay, so that's okay. When you start it up then, it'll start up to the live CD. Okay. Next bit, we need to talk about setting things up on the VirtualBox. Okay, so back on Cinnamon, I've just started a Mate 17 VirtualBox. Let's put it over there, out of the way. And I've just plugged in a USB stick, and you can see this is the contents of the USB stick. So X that off a second, make this smaller, wait for the desktop to load properly. Okay, so got the devices and shared clipboard, make sure that's bi-directional. Drag and drop again is bi-directional. Okay, and then go to USB devices and then click on the name of your USB stick. Okay, so it disappears from your main desktop and it appears in your VirtualBox. Okay, now that should open, so I click on it and I open it twice. Okay, so X that off, so you can see that the same USB, same contents are in click devices, untick it, USB disappears from your VirtualBox and it arrives back on your normal desktop. There you go, and that's how you install VirtualBox and how to get USB sticks working on VirtualBox.